Hello children, welcome back to my channel Online Physics Class by Niharika. So class 9th, this will be your lecture number 3. Okay, I have already posted lecture 1 and lecture 2. You can watch on my channel. Now let us continue with lecture 3. Lecture 3, and on which chapter we are? We are on chapter 2, that is motion in one dimension. Motion in one dimension. If you have not seen the previous video, kindly go and watch those videos. It will be crystal clear to you. I can assure you that. Now in lecture 3, and see children, one more thing I want to tell you, that whatever the lectures I am taking topic by topic from your book. Either you are from #ICSE board or you are from CBSE board. So you will not face problem because I am going topic by topic from your book. I hope you will like this series. So let us now start with the lecture 3. Now children, in third lecture we are going to start with the topic speed and velocity. Now many of you have still doubt. You have reached to class 9 but still you have doubt that what is the difference between speed and velocity. So I think today it will be clear to you. Now what is speed children? Speed is the distance covered in unit time. Okay, distance covered in unit time. And what is velocity children? Velocity is also distance covered in unit time, but in particular direction. Yes, you are right. In velocity we talk about the term direction, or you can say speed is the part of a velocity only. Okay, they are interconnected. In speed, normally it is whatever the distance covered in every unit time. लेकिन velocity में same distance covered in unit time, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम क्या बात करते हैं? That distance covered in unit time but in a particular या specified direction. इसका मतलब स्पीड में हम सिंपली यही बात करते हैं कि कितना डिस्टेंस यूनिट टाइम में कवर हुआ, और वेलोसिटी में क्या बात करते हैं कि डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन यूनिट टाइम, लेकिन भैया किसी डायरेक्शन में, नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, साउथ डायरेक्शन या किसी स्पेसिफाइड डायरेक्शन में वी टॉक अबाउट. And that is why speed is which type of a physical quantity? Speed is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity कैसी quantity है? Velocity is a vector quantity, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है, we do not talk about direction की बात हम नहीं करते, but here we talk about direction. Okay, now suppose if I give you example, suppose Ram is traveling at a speed of 32 km per hour. Okay, and same way if we talk about in terms of velocity, so velocity of Ram is 32 km per hour in north direction, right? So what we are doing here, in velocity we are mentioning a direction. जब भी हम distance covered unit time के साथ direction को mention कर देते हैं तो उस वक्त हम कौन सा term use करते हैं? velocity. और जब हम केवल distance covered in unit time के साथ बात करते हैं और direction की नहीं बात करते, then we talk about speed. I hope this point is clear to you. Now if I talk about the units, speed और velocity की unit की बात करें तो both have same units. Okay, both have same units. SI unit, that is meter per second, and here also meter per second. Whereas CGS unit is also same. That is CGS unit is how much? CGS unit is, that is centimeter per second, and here also CGS unit is centimeter per second, right? So children, we have discussed about SI and CGS unit of speed and velocity. Now children, I hope this concept is clear about speed and velocity. Yes. Now one more thing children, in speed, what is the formula for speed? Speed is equals to distance upon time, whereas velocity is equals to displacement upon time. Why we are saying like that? So children, you already know bhai speed क्या होता है. It is the distance covered in every unit time. So its formula is distance upon time. And what is velocity? Velocity is the displacement covered, that is displacement upon time. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमने क्यों बोला यहाँ पर? क्योंकि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? डायरेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर स्पीड का फॉर्मूला हो गया डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम और वेलोसिटी का फॉर्मूला हो गया डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम. Right? Now under this category only children, we are going to talk about under this category of speed we are going to talk about uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed and uniform, or you can say non-uniform or variable speed. Non-uniform or variable speed. Okay, or variable speed. Non-uniform or variable speed. तो uniform speed क्या होता है children? If a person covers equal distances in equal time, equal distances in equal time. If a person covers equal distances in equal time, then we say that speed is uniform. Say how? Suppose a person cover each 2 kilometer in every 1 hour, in every 1 hour, in every 1 hour. So what is this? The person is covering equal distances in equal interval of time. So this means the person is having a uniform speed. अच्छा, इसका एक एग्जाम्पल ये भी हो सकता है चिल्ड्रेन, दैट अ पर्सन मूविंग ऑन अ फ्रिक्शनलेस प्लेन सरफेस. मतलब अगर किसी सरफेस पे मूव कर रहा है पर्सन, उस पर क्या है? फ्रिक्शन नहीं है. फ्रिक्शन क्या होता है? फ्रिक्शन इज द ऑपोजिंग फोर्स विच ऑपोजेस द मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी. जैसे आप चल रहे हो किसी सरफेस पे आगे की ओर, तो आपके सरफेस कॉन्टैक्ट, मतलब जो आपके फुट का कॉन्टैक्ट है, सरफेस कॉन्टैक्ट है, उसके बीच में एक ऑपोजिंग फोर्स लगता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं फ्रिक्शन फोर्स. ठीक है, अगर आपके सरफेस और आपके कॉन्टैक्ट, फुट कॉन्टैक्ट के बीच में कोई भी फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स नहीं लग रहा है, तो उस दौरान यू विल कवर इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, एंड दैट टाइम द स्पीड इज नोन एज यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. Whereas if I talk about non-uniform speed, non-uniform speed, so what does it means? It means that if you cover unequal distances in equal interval of time, ठीक है. For example, suppose children you are moving on a crowded road, ठीक है. crowded road पे अगर आप मूव कर रहे हो तो उस दौरान क्या होगा? Suppose you covered first 1 kilometer in 2 hours. Now you covered next 1 kilometer in half hour. You covered, or you can say, suppose you covered 1 kilometer in 2 hours. You covered next 2 kilometer in, okay, again 2 hours. You cover 2.5 kilometer in again next 2 hours. So what is this? This is you are covering unequal distances in equal interval of time. So children, this is what the concept of, that is your non-uniform speed. Okay, or you can say, you can use one more word, variable speed, right?